As part of a joint project between Tom Blodgett of Jende Industries and Kenneth Schwartz of Precise Sharpening, we're proud to announce the following EdgePro products for your enhanced use of the EdgePro device. This includes sharpening stones by both Naniwas and Shapton, including the Shapton Pro series and the Naniwas Chocera series, as well as 2 additional stones from Naniwas. In addition, as a foundation for this product class, we also include the DMT stones as mounted 2 by 6 inch wide stones for initial flattening and profiling applications, varying from both extra coarse to extra fine. And to review these products, these are the individual DMT plates, which are mounted, going again from extra coarse to fine to extra fine. These are the thinner Shapton Pro series, going from the coarser white 120 grit stone on up through a 15,000 grit stone, and that is followed by the full 1 by 6 inch 5mm thick stones used for the EdgePro. This again is the EdgePro unit itself. As you can see, we have additional stones. We have the additional Naniwas stones. One is a 150 grit Omura and a 2000 grit. We have also, as individual hand stones from Shapton, stones ranging from 120 to 15,000 grit. Coming over from this side, we have narrow stones, again ranging from the coarse 120 grits on up to the 15,000 grit stone. And in addition, we have in the 1 by 6 sizes the Chocera series of stones, ranging from 400 grit to the 10,000 grit stone. And as a new member of this series, we're very proud to announce now a narrower width 30,000 grit Shapton Pro stone. This gives us one of the widest ranges in the industry of stones, from Shapton going from 120 grit to 30,000 grit, along with the Chocera series also going from 400 to 10,000 grit. I hope you've enjoyed this brief presentation, and if you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at www.jendeindustries.com. Thank you for your attention.